I just wanted to say before we get into the video that this video is old. It's from August of last year. This was around the time that my old laptop broke and I had to wait to get a new laptop. Wasn't able to edit how I wanted to, so it was never posted. But I do have a lot more content for you guys that was from last year that I am still going to post, so stay tuned for that. But I just wanted to let you guys know that's all I wanted to say, so let's go to the video. Hey y'all, so I don't really know what this video is. My daughter is taking a nap right now and I have nothing to do. I'm bored, so I'm just going to play in my hair. I'm probably gonna shave my face too, and I just wanted to record. I got a notification. I just wanted to record and you know, show you guys what I'm about to do. So this is my hair. Look how crusty dusty look. We need to fix that. And then my face, I don't know what's going on, but my face has just been breaking out for no reason. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna wash my face, shave it and everything, and I just want you guys to come on the process with me because I have like a lot of crap. Like, yeah, let's get started. So I'm gonna wash my face first. Let's clip this hair up and take these nose rings out. Let me get a razor. I should do my eyebrows too, right? I should, right? I should do my eyebrows too, so I might do that. But fresh razor. We're going to, I'm not gonna wash first. We're not gonna wash first. We're actually gonna shave first and then wash after. And I've been getting like pimples in my damn eyebrows. I don't know why. I don't know what's going on with my face. I don't know. But we're going to use, I'm gonna use this. It don't really matter what you use as long as it's smooth on the skin. But I'm just gonna put this all over my face. Make sure you have like a paper towel so you can wipe all the excess. Now, I could try to do it so you guys can see it, but just literally go like this and then look at all that. You can see it. You know, I haven't done this in like, I don't even know how long. Look, that's a little bit, but that's a lot. It's a little bit, but it's a lot at the same time. So, face is now clean. This is what we got off on my face. So now, should I do my eyebrows? I'm gonna do my eyebrows first, actually, just to get it out the way. Pretty much with my eyebrows, I literally just shape them with the same razor. Get them to the right shape that I want. And cut off any excess that I don't need. So I'll be back for that because I can't be on camera messing up my eyebrows. So this is how my eyebrows turned out. Can you tell a difference? Probably not, because I usually don't take too much off. I just take off that little excess that I always had just to shape them up. But this is how they look. So now I'm going to wash my face. I usually use my Dr. Bronner's bar of soap. So if you know who Dr. Bronner's is, the soap, the one that is in like the blue one. I use that one for my face. And I use cold water, and then I also use this. This is like a the exfoliant little rag thing. I have a big thing of them. So this is how it comes. This exfoliating bath towel. I can change this one out now because I use it like every couple washes on my face. But this thing is huge. Like, bro, obviously it's huge because it's a bath towel. But this is it. And I think I cut this one as well. But I had this for a grip. Just like that. I started using this cleanser again on my face. So I used to use this. And I also use this. I use this on my face every single day, morning and night. I also use rose water. I get this from My International Market. You might not have this brand, but I believe any brand is okay. This was in the Indian section. One I use if you want to screenshot it or whatever. But yeah, so I'm gonna get started washing my face. I'm going to wash it twice. So first, I'm going to get some suds on my face and then exfoliate. Then put some more suds, put some more soap on my face and let it sit. And then after that, rinse and then scrub again. Goddamn. I think I got soap in my eye. I just rinse. So what you want to do is just pat your face dry. Look at that. My face looks better already. Pat your face dry. And here's a tip. If you want to have a clean face and everything like that, make sure you dry your face with paper towels. And not just use like a towel or a rag, because all that bacteria and stuff, all those germs that because you're reusing a rag or a towel, that'll just sit up in there. Then you take a shower or a bath and all that steam, then all that nasty stuff just gets in your towel. Now is I'm going to put this on my face. What I do is I usually just go like this and then just wipe it or tap. Doesn't really matter. I just let this air dry. So I got the healing ointment on my hands. I just put like a little blob of it. You don't need that much. And I just throughout it on my face. And try to go in like an upwards motion instead of going down. You don't want your face to be droopy. Last thing I'm gonna do for my face is I use this Burt's Bees. It's a lip treatment. I got this from Target. And I love this. I love how smooth it is. At first, I thought it was like a chapstick when I first got it. And then when I started putting it on my lips, like the first time I had it, I was just like, ew, I don't like the consistency because it's like real, you see that? It's real thin. But now I just love it. And this is what it looked like. Nice and pink. I'm gonna do my hair. I'm gonna do something with my hair. I probably won't like refresh much. Like all this, I'm not gonna like clean it up because I'll probably take this wig off tomorrow. Just for the sake of the video, I might just like brush it, maybe hot comb it, curl it a little bit, because look at that. Look crazy. Yeah, let's do this hair, do something with it. Let me get all my tools and I'll be right back. And I'm patiently waiting for my flat iron to warm up. What I'm gonna try to do now is, damn, that's not it. Is detangle this. Look at this. This looks crazy. I just had it in a bun for like the past 2 days. We're all combed out. Do I want a middle or side part? Middle is my, or side part is my go-to, honestly. So we're gonna just do a side part. It don't look that bad though. Like, the hair is still soft. Thank God. The hair is still soft and everything, so I don't really have to do much, but let's just try to like revamp the curls, because it's still like, it is, the ends look crazy, like, so let's try to revamp them. All right, so I think I don't know what hot or flat iron is this. I think it's Remington. I got this from Target, I believe, for like 20 bucks. But my flat iron is at $3.90. I'm not gonna do like small parts. I ain't got time for that. We're just gonna flat iron it so it can just get straighter and not look like this. I will say this wig really does hold down, and it's so soft, so freaking soft. I probably would have to straight iron or flat iron it a couple more times. I think it's getting tangled because of the way I'm combing it, but man, look how cute. Let's see the back. Let's brush the back. You guys can see the back. Ooh, I love her. I love her. It's still a little bit wavy, but that's okay. And it's like real yucky texture hair. I feel like this is like a good density wig, and it's like a real natural wig. So I'm feeling myself right now. I ain't gonna hold you. I look cute. I'm feeling myself. Let me put my nose rings back in before I forget. Oh my God, this hurts. Whew. Do I want to do edges? Get the little edges that I usually have out. And the same for the sideburns, because like I said, I don't feel like doing nothing too much. So I use the 24-hour edge tamer, the even one. I use the extreme fold. Why can't I talk? Extreme firm hold. I see people use this one the most, so that's why I got it. I don't listen. I hate doing edges. I'm gonna keep it above with you, because it never, like, the girls I be seeing on TikTok and shit, it don't be looking like y'all. It don't look bad, but it don't be looking like y'all. And I'm gonna straighten it a little bit more. I should clean my brush, right? I'm impressed. But we done here, guys. This is real cute. It came out really good. And I look cute. I feel cute. I hope you feel cute during this video. This was like our little maintenance slash girl talk or whatever. If there's some guys in here, hello. But this ain't really for you. This is for the girls, okay? But yeah, I had fun. This was real fun. I should do this more often. But yeah, y'all just spiked my confidence level. I don't even know how much, but I feel real good right now. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you had fun with me. Thank you for hanging out with me and doing my hair with me and cleaning my face with me, doing my eyebrows, doing my whole face. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Hey y'all, this is the next day, so if I look crazy, I'm sorry. But I did my I had this in a ponytail too, so it might have a little dent. But I did my my edges over and I added more hair. And I think I'm gonna wear my edges like this from now on. This looks so cute. Don't look too close. Cause I told y'all I was trying to cover, you know, the parts that I didn't want to fix. But this looks actually really cute and really natural. So I might just do this from now on.